Hey guys, once again we're bringing you another set of the coolest gadgets from Aliexpress and Amazon sites. Links to all the products are mentioned in the description. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Let's go! If you're a photographer, this super clamp is a match made in heaven for you. But this tool is not only limited to photography. The situations where you need this super clamp are endless. This boy can literally mount anywhere and is fit to support umbrellas, cameras, crossbars, and even other super clamps. Plus, if the process of attaching and detaching tires you, no worries, because it can quickly be readjusted. Do you have to plug your charging cable 5 times to finally have that right angle for charging? Maybe the problem is your port and not the cable. This is a must-have all-in-one cleaning and maintenance tool for your iPhone and iPad. All you gotta do is rotate this tool and boom! You got all charging ports and other parts debris-free. Tired of scanning and uploading your creative work? This drawing tablet frees you from such shackles, and in this way, you can have your creativity in the digital form from the very start. With its slim design and ample active area, this drawing tablet has the feel of paper. It proves to be an impeccable transition to digital artwork. Upgraded your gaming PC to the best, but still getting beaten by 11-year-old kids at your favorite game? This gaming keypad is the secret weapon that you might be missing. With 24 Omron switch-equipped activation points on the keypad, along with an analog stick that can provide 360-degree movement, this keypad is perfect for a top-tier gaming experience. Who does not want to lighten up their room? And that too with an aesthetic sculpture that radiates serenity. This weighing scales design lamp is the perfect partner for your interiors. With its super pointed end, it can be balanced anywhere. This LED-powered lamp, which can be used both as an illuminator and stress-relieving toy, got a battery life of 6 hours. If you're a bike traveler, this multi-tool is all you need for emergency situations. It got a perfect size that fits your drink bag. There are twin Y-shaped tools that are magnetized, so they stay in place. This coolest bike gadget offers a variety of Allen keys from 3mm to 8mm. It is a bit on the heavier side, weighing 260 grams, but its all-rounder functionality really shadows this drawback. Amazon really gave us a glimpse of the future when they came up with a home assistant in the form of this cute robot. This 17-inch tall robo-assistant can follow you around the house, play music for you, and even act as a security guard in your absence. It is equipped with a pop-up camera, a moving screen, and adorable expressions that can woo all family members. Honestly speaking, wiping your earbuds with a tissue really does not seem a good idea for cleaning them. This Earbuds Cleaning pen is here for your rescue. With a soft microfiber brush at the top of the tip, this pen is perfect for cleaning the tiny parts and holes of the earplugs. In addition, the other end of the pen is a soft brush made for cleaning the charging compartment. This uniquely designed smart lamp comes in a total of 3 colors: baby pink, mint green, and bright red. Weighing only 370 grams, this Among Us-inspired lamp can be carried along anywhere. If loud alarms scare you, this lamp provides the feature of a light alarm where it gradually fills up your room with the gentle glow of the morning sun. Got a lot of devices and are sick of prioritizing which device to charge first? This multi-USB charger hub welcomes you to a trouble-free charging experience. Equipped with 7 charging ports and 1 wireless charging board, this hub is the ideal choice. With its LCD display, it tells you about the current charging status. Also, it prevents overheating of gadgets by its heat dissipation channels. Gone are the days when watches just used to tell you time. This smartwatch can be your travel buddy to a fitness trainer. No need to take out your phone every time it vibrates. You can check out your notifications and answer phone calls just through this watch. It also controls your music playlist and is the perfect choice for sports lovers. Pulling out the tape line every time you have to measure a distance seems such a tedious task. With this dual laser level ruler, you can have easy measurements with excellent accuracy, all thanks to its laser precision technology. With a wide LED screen to display the digits, this ruler is super lightweight and can easily be carried around. Guys, that's all I had for you today. If you haven't seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Write in the comments which of the products impressed you the most. Bye-bye.